Welcome. If you want to use Face Unlock on your Samsung Galaxy S9, for the first we have to go for the settings, then just scroll down and enter the biometrics and the security, then select face recognition, and right now we have to input your lock method. In my case it is the pattern, and right now there's the description, so we have to read it and then tap on the continue. I'm not wearing the glasses, so I leave this answer as correct, click on the continue, and as you can see right now smartphone is scanning our face and it's finished. So right now we can check how it works. So lock our device, and right now when we try to unlock, right now we can just swipe up to open. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.